I know this guy. What's up guys, it's Brandon or Brandon Def here, and if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment down below what meets or shows you guys want me to go to. This meet was kind of a little takeover meet in Orlando. It was dope, it was lit. I'm gonna be going to a lot more Orlando takeovers. I'm trying to get Orlando on the map, do some dope shit over here. Sorry I haven't been uploading a lot. It's just really hard to go to car shows and car meets when there's literally nothing going on because of COVID. There's no shows, no events, but if there is, it's not really like something I would go to. But if you guys know of any meets or events or anything that you guys want me to see, or you guys want me to record and film for you guys, let me know and I'll definitely go over there and check it out. But yeah, subscribe if you're new, subscribe if you want to see more takeovers and more car shit or like vlogs here and there. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of everything. Also, if you see me at a meet and you want to say what's up, just come up to me and say what's good. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Literally editing the video right now. I know the lighting is terrible right now, but I gotta say it real quick. If you guys want to know when these car meets are happening or when or where it is, or if you guys want to see it in person, follow me on Instagram. On Instagram, I usually post updates, or I usually post the flyer or the page of what car crew or whoever's hosting it. I usually post it on my story. So stay up to date on my Instagram, usually on the weekends or anything like that. Maybe you'll get lucky and go to one of these car meets that I usually go to. All right, that's all. Peace.